Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkLaTexHomepage.com as well as the ArkLaTexHomepage.com app. And let's get right to it. First of all, with our first burn ban that we've seen in a while. This one has been issued for Harrison County there in East Texas. And don't be surprised if we see a few more added to the list as we go through the next week, even though we are going to be looking at a chance for a little bit of rainfall across the area. That said, here's a look at the weather pattern. You can see that disturbance we've been talking about over the northern Gulf of Mexico, just south and east of New Orleans there. It is slowly inching its way towards the west, and as it moves along the coast and eventually into southeast Texas, we're going to be looking at a bit of an increase in our rainfall chances here in our area. Moving forward here, let's show you how this system is going to progress as we will see it slowly inch its way again across the Louisiana coast here, bringing with it a possibility for that scattered shower or thunderstorm. Now, the heaviest rain obviously will fall closer to the center of that disturbance, but as it moves past, you can see what's going to be developing is upper level high pressure, which has been centered over the northeastern sections of the country, is going to retreat back to the west, but still far enough to the north that we'll see disturbances move one right after the other on the bottom of its circulation, giving us a continued chance for just a little bit of rainfall. Here's a look at rainfall potential as we are going to be looking at a chance of rain pretty much every day, but it's very possible that most days you will stay totally dry. A rainfall potential from now through next Monday, showing you all total during the next 7 days. Obviously, the heaviest rainfall total is extreme southern sections of the area where you see the yellow there. That's where we could have upwards of 2 inches of rainfall. Then across basically the northern half of the area, rainfall totals should stay less than an inch. So all in all, heaviest across the south, not so heavy across the north, and we are looking at just scattered stuff for the most part moving forward. Here's a look at Futurecast as we take you through the next couple of days as we go through the nighttime hours tonight. Possibility for a scattered shower mainly over the eastern edge of the area. And then tomorrow, call it partly to mostly cloudy. We will see that chance for the shower and thunderstorm begin to move in. Notice very, very scattered nature of the rainfall that we will see across the region tomorrow. That activity likely will begin to decrease tomorrow night. And then as we head into Wednesday, you're going to notice the increase in the size of those arrows as we'll see a southeasterly wind, kind of breezy Wednesday. Southeast winds right around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Again, possibility for the scattered shower or thunderstorm, but again, kind of hit or miss as far as the nature of the rainfall that we'll see both tomorrow and Wednesday, and that's something that probably will repeat itself for the rest of the 7-day forecast. Temperature-wise, we stay above normal. Lows tonight back into the mid-70s, 76 in Shreveport, 74 in Texarkana, 74 degrees in Marshall. Daytime highs tomorrow should rebound back up into the mid-90s for the most part, 94 in Shreveport, 95 in Texarkana, 96 degrees for the high temperature in Mount Pleasant. And as far as heat index values tomorrow, not quite as extreme as we've seen here recently, as we will see heat index values, this is for today, we've seen those in excess of 100. Those numbers likely will not be as high because temperatures won't be as high for your Tuesday. All that said, your 7-day forecast showing you that we will see that possibility for the pop-up shower and thunderstorm each and every day. Look for daytime highs to mainly be in the low to middle 90s. Overnight lows for the most part will stay in the middle 70s. These are Shreveport numbers, and again, you can tell by the low percentages there that any rainfall that we see in the week ahead will be very scattered. A little bit lower rainfall potential here for Texarkana, as you too will see highs in the low to middle 90s. Overnight lows for the most part will be in the middle 70s. So all in all, not a whole lot of change as far as rainfall potential. We have a chance each day, but temperatures will stay above normal, but not nearly as hot as we've seen recently.